Namaste dear friends, welcome to the day 3. We are not doing any asanas today, we are focusing on breathing exercise. So breathing exercise in yoga we are called pranayama. Prana means life, yama means control. Simply the pranayama means life control. But we are not going deeper into the theory part of pranayama, we are doing the basic pranayama exercise. So let's get started the session. Namaste. So as we discussed earlier, we are not doing any asanas today. So you wanted to do asanas, please practice yesterday's video, day 2 video, and come back here for pranayama series. So today we are doing pranayama, but this is not advanced pranayama, this is only simple one. It is called samaveda pranayama. This samaveda pranayama is a basis for all other pranayamas, breathing exercise we are going to do on coming days. So one person can breathe in 3 levels. One person can breathe from with his abdomen or his chest or his shoulders. Many of the people breathing through their chest. For example, just like this. So as they inhale, their chest is going up. As they exhale, their chest is going down. They are not using the lower part of the lungs, only using the middle of the lungs. Some people using only the shoulders, like this. So if you look at a child, how the child is breathing, the child is breathing through the abdomen. As the child is inhaling, the abdomen goes up. As the child is exhaling, the abdomen is going down. So this is a natural breathing process one person have to follow. Due to our regular life changes, everything has changed. So our breathing pattern also is changed. So in yoga, we are going to develop, bring back the normal breathing exercise. So maybe you're breathing with your abdomen, maybe you're breathing with your chest or your shoulders. That doesn't matter. But now we are going to demonstrate to you the process, how the 3 kind of breathing is going on, and how to breathe in pranayama. So to start the session, you have to lie down in shavasana. Not shavasana, yeah. Your legs together. Place your right palm on your abdomen. Then place your left palm on your chest. So I'll tell you what is abdominal breathing, what is breathing with the chest, what is breathing with the shoulders. Now breathe. As you inhale, slowly try to inhale, only move your abdomen. As you exhale, press your palm down. Don't move your chest, only your abdomen. Press your palms on your abdomen down. Exhale your abdomen down. Your chest is not moving. Try it one more time. Inhale your abdomen up. Exhale your abdomen down. Now you can feel the change. One more time. Inhale your abdomen up. Exhale your abdomen down. Now we can use with our chest. So this time, do not move your abdomen. Only use your chest. Now inhale, your chest up. Exhale, your chest up. Inhale your chest up. Exhale your chest up. Now your abdomen is not moving, only your chest is moving. Now this is very difficult. You can use only your shoulders. Now you are not moving your abdomen, you are not moving your chest, only the shoulder blades. Your shoulder blades are up. Now inhaling slowly. Exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. Very good. Now you understand what is the change. So slowly come up and sit up. So this is how you have to analyze your breathing. So in yoga, we say that using this 3 pattern is called yogic breathing. So you're using your abdominal breathing, then you're coming to the chest, then to the shoulders, like this. Now you're filling your abdomen, now your chest and your shoulders. Now slowly exhale. And as you exhale, your abdomen skews, your abdomen goes to the spine. Your abdomen goes down as much as possible. In the beginning, it is very difficult to follow this, but with a regular practice, you can do this. So many people may be asking why you are saying to breathing through the abdomen. So the reason is simple. So when you using your abdomen, as you inhale, your abdomen goes up. So your diaphragm is moving towards go down. So there is a little space is creating on the lower part of the lungs. So more oxygen, more energy is going to the lower part of the lungs. So then your lungs is more open, you're getting more energy. So it's simply to expand the lung capacity. So this will help you to increase the lung capacity. So keep this information in your mind. So when you go for every day, you have to keep this information and try to breathe properly. So Samaveda Pranayama is only simple breath, because the thing is you have to inhale deeply for a certain seconds, maybe 5 seconds or 6 seconds. Then you are holding your breath for 5 seconds. Then you are exhaling slowly as much as possible, maybe 5 to 10 seconds. So we are holding our breath only for 5 seconds, then we are exhaling. So this is called Samaveda Pranayama. So try to breathe like using your abdomen. It's called abdominal breathing or diaphragmatic breathing. It's a detailed classes about pranayama will be coming up on next month, and that will be a continuous session for 5 days. So we'll be teaching you all the pranayama methods and the breathing exercises. Not breathing exercises, pranayama method and the process of this. So now we're just going to start the Samaveda Pranayama. So sit in a comfortable position. Keep your both hands in chin mudra. But now you don't need to do that because you're practicing breathing with your abdomen. So you can place your right palm on your abdomen. Yeah. So now as you inhale, your abdomen moves forward. Then you have to hold your breath for 5 seconds. Then as you exhale, press your palms towards the spine. So your abdomen goes down. Now, one more time. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Remember, during all the process, you have to breathe through the nostrils. Some people have the tendency to breathe in through the nostrils and breathe out through the mouth. That is absolutely wrong in yoga practice. You don't get you don't get much of benefit out of this practice. So you have to breathe through the nostrils throughout the practice. So one more time. Inhale. Abdomen up. Chest is open. Hold your breath. 5 seconds. Slowly exhale. Press your palms down. Inhale up. Hold. Exhale. Very good. Now, keep your palm there, or if you are comfortable like this, you can place in your hands in chin mudra and practice the pranayama. Otherwise, if you are not master in this session, so you can do it regularly with using your palms and do this. So we're doing 5 rounds of pranayama. I told you this is not a big pranayama session. This is a simple one because you are a beginner. A detailed one will be available on next month. So sit there, keep your spine straight, keep your both hands in chin mudra. So if you're feeling anything in your back pain, you can take a sheet and place it under your butt so you can sit comfortably. So both hands in chin mudra, close your eyes. We'll doing 5 times. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath for 5 seconds. Slowly exhale. Very good. Inhale deeply and hold your breath. Slowly exhale. 3 more times. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath. Slowly exhale. 2 more times. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath. Slowly exhale. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath. Keep your spine straight, chest more open. Slowly exhale. Couple of normal breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We will finish the session with the 3 Om chanting. Om. 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 Shanti. 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 Bring your palms together in prayer position. Thank you. Thank you so much. So this is, I told you, this is the beginning one. Try to keep a breathe with your abdomen. It's the diaphragmatic breathing that is give you more energy in you throughout the day. So try to practice this. Try to master this session, and then you will get a more result. This will enable your body to practice pranayama, real pranayama method that is coming on next weeks or next month. So see you tomorrow for the yoga session and get ready. We'll be including this pranayama session from tomorrow, so that will give you more energy. See you on the next video. Namaste.